Hello everyone, welcome to KPS Trades. Today we are back with again one of our performances for swing trading for the month of December. The first 3 weeks, what we did. So we'll share with you the trades, the charts, the reason for the trades, and what we have booked and how it has been fared for us. So before we move on to that, if you're first time on our YouTube channel, we request you to please subscribe the channel and click the bell icon as well so that you do not miss any future videos. As coming to the next year, we are planning to have videos more frequently from our Telegram channel, which is KPS Trades. And we continue with our logo, passion, profit, patience. We trade only on the price and momentum based technical analysis, and this is giving us a very good results. Nor we back tested only, we trade all our trades personally with our accounts and for our customers also. So without wasting a time, let's move on to the charts and the performance. So if we go to the performance first, let's see what we have achieved. This was the table. We had 3 carry forward trades from the month of November, and then we have around 7 fresh trades which we did. You don't need to trade every day to earn money. You just need to wait for the right setup, and then you able to clock in what you're looking forward. So if you see, we have managed to book 10% profit. As far as of now, we have around 6 trades where we have booked profit. So if you see, we'll take you through the charts. We have 2 very good trades where we've got 17% returns, Mastech and Pi. And then we have Petronet, Kotak, and Emphasis, which we got 7%. And HDFC Bank, we exited on a 5% profit, as it has hit our target one and we exited. So let's start. Before that, I want to take you to my Telegram channel, KPS Trades. So you can see all these trades are shared with chart on that day in the channel. So it's not that we are just creating it after that. It's everything is there on the live. So this is our channel, KPS Trades. Okay, let's search on that. The first stock was Mastech. We had very good momentum on that. So you can see this on 23rd November morning around 9 o'clock. We shared this chart. This is an hourly chart where it was at the lower end of the channel, and we were looking forward for it to reverse. Let's see how it fared. Let's go to the live chart at this moment so that we able to see how this has moved. So this is the Mastech live chart. I have blocked it same date. This is 24th November. Okay, and this is 23rd November. So the price was 998, 996, 1008, and then it came down. So all get entry easily. It was in our range of a buying level of 980 to 100 with a stop loss of 930. As there was a wick, so we have taken little deep stop loss. We didn't want to take a risk, and it went down. So it went till 955 and stayed there. Even further down on 1st of December, it opened around 945. So our stop loss was 930. It came below our channel working, and then we have this big move around 50 points. Then it consolidated, and finally it boomed. And on 9th of December, it hit our target. The high is 1178. Our first target was 1075 and second was 1150. So you can see this on 9th, we exited this trade on 1150 on our target price, whereas the high was 1178. So sometimes it takes a consolidation, but eventually if it's in momentum, it will bounce back. And that's what has happened with this trade. Now the next trade was Pi Industry on 27 November. Let me take you to the channel first. Let's search the chart, Pi Industries. So we get our charts. So we try in that. See, the chart was posted on 27 November in the morning. And you can see this chart. It was a daily chart. This was a channel. It's somewhere around mid-range of channel and bounced back. So we were looking forward for entry on this. So you can see this when the chart was clicked, it was around 2298 was the price, and see how it fade from there. So let's move on to that. Okay, I just do it on this. Okay, so this was what I was talking about. When we fared, it was on 2298. So on 27 November, if you see 25th, 27 November, the high was 2353 and low was 2142, whereas our buying price was 2230 to 2294. So people would have got at a very lower level as well, and on 2230 as well. So if you see, it bounced there and then it just boomed up on 8th of December. So we took trade on 27th, and in a few days the high was 2650, whereas our target was 20. So we managed to exit on 2600, which was a fairly fast move what we have got, as it was a daily channel. After the day when we entered 27 November, after that the low was next day also we got entry at 2252, third day at 2258, and then it came out of our levels, and within next 3 days, fourth day, it hit the target. So fared very well up with us, and we have got 17% return on that. So same way we have Petronet and Kotak. The interesting chart. Okay, let's go to the Petronet chart. I will take you through that. I don't want to spend much time on the video, and it becomes big. So Petronet, we'll just review it faster. This was the channel. This was the chart. At the lower end of the channel, we picked the trade, and our target was on the higher end of the channel. That's how what we got. If you see on that, we aim to deliver that. Petronet. So see this trade. Okay, let me go to the trade date so that we know when was the trade date. So it was on 27 November. So 27th November, this is 26th and this is 27 November. See this 27 November low was 244 and high was 251. Our entry was at 250. So we precisely everybody would have got entry at a good level. And then it stayed few days between our entry, and from 27 November or 4th December, it touched high of 265, where our first target was hit. And then it came at our mid-range of channel and came down. So we booked our profit around 270, although high was 271.9. So the importance of channel is very crucial. This mid-range is equally important. You can see before that also last time, also from mid-range, it reversed and went out. And this time also it did the same thing. So if you see the current level also, it eventually again came to our buy level and again touched 270. So if somebody would have followed the chart, you would have traded twice. And now it's again, we're just looking for reversal if it's possible. The next one was Kotak Bank. Good trade, 100 odd points within a span of few days. Actually, fourth day only we exited. So if we see Kotak, so Kotak Bank, see this was the charts, again hourly chart. We picked at the lower end of the channel and then it boomed. Similar way, we can see this, how it fared for us, and see, we picked at the lower end of the channel here, and then it went to the mid end of the channel where our first target was, and then it crossed that and second target also hit. So given us a good returns. So if you see our all trades fairly well, even HDFC Bank and Emphasis, see this Emphasis trade was sideways for a long while, and then when it come to the flow, See this, it broke and hit the target. Its high is 1398. Our first target was 1316 and then 1400. It hit actually on the Friday itself. So it's trying to come up, but it's still not closing above the mid channel. If it comes up, it can go for a further rally. But we booked our profit and we are out from the trade with our margin. Same goes for HDFC Bank. If you see this, we picked purely at the lower end of the channel, and our target was on the higher end, and that's what we achieved. So emphasis was done. So this is what we achieved so far, and we have around 4 positions open. Out of that, 2 positions was taken only on Friday itself, and 2 were pending. If you want to see those charts, I can take you to my Telegram channel and you can see the charts, what we were talking about here, how we give fresh trade. These are still active trades. Somebody want to take these trades, they can do it. See, this was at 140 and 127 on Friday. You see this? It just came down the mid range and trying to cross it. So we entered little early, although this was the right level, but that's how our range is. Our range is between that. So it's just still a buy. You can still take trade on this. Same goes for the Eicher motor. See this? We picked at the lower end. It become the green candle at the closing. Give the entry to everyone. So it's still tradable trade. So you can still trade on this tomorrow. And the targets are somewhere on the mid range. And if it close above that, maybe we can look for its new high since COVID. So that's how we were aiming for. Uh, Fairly well delivered trade. You can join us on our channel. The link will be below the video for KPS trades, and you can see we keep updating regularly on this with our channels and our performance and all the charts which we share in advance so that you can track charts so that you can learn. The motive is learn and earn. It's not only about earning, it's about learning as well. So that becomes equally important for all of us. So that's it for the today. Thank you very much. Thanks for watching. If you're watching first time our video, please join our channel and click the subscribe button and click the bell icon so that you do not miss any of our future videos as well. Thank you very much. Thanks for joining. Over and out. Take care. Bye bye.